Why are you holding my hand?
Because I wanted to do that. Okay. What's up, guys? Broke One Ellie here. Hold on.
I want to make sure your whole self isn't framed.
What's up, guys? Broke One Ellie here with my boy Broke ZL1. You know, we're doing this, and honestly, we're probably.
Time to get paid. Stayed up midnight, counting G. Paranoid, overthinking G. Same girl life, you the same way to seem. Time to get paid.
He looks skinny. I can't get over it. I haven't seen him in shorts in so long. I think that's what it is.
He was so happy when I told him. I was like, "Yeah, Brian, you lost a lot rather than wear shorts."
But he has. His like shoulders look broad, and he's like looks
Swole
slim.
body.
I'm keeping this in the video.
Oh.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a mod to my boy's SS1LE. He actually just recently got it. I think it's his first mod to the car. It's a Wicker Bill. So we're going to go drill into his car and hopefully not mess it up. So let's get into it.
I have it.
Are you nervous?
I am nervous as shit.
I'm so scared.
We have no idea what we're doing.
Bro, you just put it up there, you mark dots, you drill the dots, and then you put that up there and put some screws in it. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds simple.
That's the whole video. That's the whole video. Let me.
I know the title's gonna be One Ellie.
Bro, I cannot.
We're gonna use this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit perfectly with this. Like, do you see this?
What size is it?
Perfect. 5/16.
That seems right. That seems right.
I said 5 something, so.
I said 7 and you agreed with me, so I'm not sure about your judgment.
I trust you. Will you pay for?
Wait.
Like, see how
Why?
high I want it up.
Why?
What do you mean?
Why? You want like
I can't take you
Wang
seriously.
gang,
Damn.
bro? Like, you want the big Wang gang, or do you want the little?
We'll see. Let him do
Okay.
his clickbait or whatever.
Jesus Christ, this isn't that might be clickbait. I get punched in the face while installing a Wicker Bill. Alright guys, so here's the stock 1LE spoiler. Nothing much. And what you want to do is get like some blue scotch tape and put it all up along here so that you can put the Wicker Bill up to it and then measure out the holes so that you actually got to drill into it. So we're going to do that now and make sure we get everything exactly where we want it, exactly where the owner wants it. So let's go.
That's perfect. Okay.
All right, so don't move, Connor.
I haven't. I literally.
You're
have
moving
been
right
standing
now.
Here.
You're moving right now.
Shut up.
See? Moved it.
I gotta be really precise where I put the dot to.
You sound like Bobby Hill.
He did, bro.
Pretty straight, so if it's off, I'd be surprised.
Yeah, I don't want to wish Bill was gay.
I mean, you're putting a Wicker Bill on your car, so it's already, you know, kind of gay.
You don't even have the ability to.
Alright, we good?
Listen. Let
me check myself one more time. Cut the tape, bro. I'm gonna have to stand up with this.
Dude, I'm so scared he's gonna like push it and it goes through the trunk.
Bro, I know you pants right now, bro.
No, dude, when it went.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
I think that'll be fine.
I think it is, dude. Slide in, like, actually, that's not what we want, but you know.
Yeah. It's gonna slide in and out. At the same time.
Okay, so
That looks.
that actually looks about right. Honestly. All right, close your eyes, Carly. I'm gonna do a little bit.
Let's see.
Bro, that's actually snug. That's snug.
Dude, that's beautiful. Okay. I just shat my pants. Alright, do you want the ribbon up tool?
Your
No.
Too slow. 6'2" coming at you with the hole drilling. This Wicker Bill about to get him some hella downforce, bro.
He ain't never gonna spin.
Follow me on Instagram.
I don't know. What time does B-Dubs close?
3.
Shut the f up. Isn't it like 10 on weekdays?
3 p.m.
Okay. Can you check, please, Chico?
Alright, bet.
What was that?
Sorry, I had to clear my throat.
Alright guys, so we actually got all the holes drilled out and wrung out. Everything should line up, so we're about to put the spoiler up to it to make sure it fits well. Is that actually like an Allen head?
Yeah.
Wait.
Please
How is
focus.
the glass piece gonna go? Or the plastic piece?
Oh my god. We need to take it off.
Wait, what?
The glass piece needs to go on.
You want to do the ends first.
Also,
Here,
that is you bastard.
I didn't say
I was
anything.
scared.
I didn't say
I
anything.
was scared.
I didn't say. I literally.
I thought the screw was in. That was just busting. Like this way.
This man said it's a little off.
Crap.
Alright guys, so this is the actual bolt that goes in there. It's a star bit, apparently, in the washer. And it goes just like so. You just kind of just shove her in, like so.
Gotta spit on it first.
Yes. And then you kind of just like that. If you did it right, at least. It just kind of screws in, then you tighten it down all the way. We got to put the glass piece on first, so we're not going to do it all the way. But y'all get the idea. Well, brother, you're going to have to not have a spoiler.
It'll hold hand tight.
Do you really not? I got some somewhere. Hello?
You know, if we had a Phillips, dead ass would work. It'd probably strip the screws, but it would tighten.
Bruh, we have Plasti Dip. Are you
How
tripping?
does that have anything to do with this?
Bruh, we can just cover it up.
No, it doesn't cover what? Cover what up? The holes? It's not glue!
I like the mirror.
Bro, put it down, Connor. Damn. You.
Alright guys, so the Wicker Bill is all installed. Got all the screws in. It actually looks like Alright guys, so we're finally done with the Wicker Bill. Install is complete. We got all the screws all tightened up.
God damn it.
Okay,
I
dead ass.
just want to make his life hard.
Can y'all go look at the ZL1 for like a minute?
Dude, it's not that special.
Just go look at the ZL1.
It's just a badge and a super trunk.
Go look at the ZL1.
I'm just chilling. I swear on my life I won't say anything.
Brian, I will get up and slap over.
If you say anything,
Okay.
I'm gonna what? Okay, so the Wicker Bill is finally installed. We got all the screws tightened up. Everything is flush, and it actually turned out really well. Homie was stupid scared to drill into his car, so he didn't. So actually, my friend did the install for him, and as you can tell, it turned out great. We had to measure it like several times. One thing you want to do for sure whenever you're drilling into your car or spoiler, whatever, measure several times because you'd rather not mess up and have to buy another spoiler unless you're rich or something like that. That's as small as my self-esteem, cuz you got to make that a little bit bigger, bro.
Can I do your outro?
What is outro
Here, let me
going
see
to
the
be?
camera.
Right.
Alright guys, Broke One LE here. We finished the install. I was shitting myself the whole time, honestly. It went through one time and I think I cried. But it's done. It looks good. I'm happy with it. And we'll see what my dad thinks. Here we go.
Alrighty guys, so I was going to do it for the video. Homie ended the video for me, but we're going to officially end it. As you can tell, the Wicker Bill looks great, and he absolutely loves it. I love it too. So I don't know what else he might do to the car. We might have some more videos with it here shortly. Who knows? But y'all stay tuned. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Keep up with the videos. We'll see you in the next one.